Now, I'm a firm believer that if you have a dining room table, it should always be dressed in some way. So whether you're focusing on a special event, a family party, eventually, or having people round, you should always spend a little bit of time picking up a theme. Now, this weekend is Valentine's weekend, and I'm trying to do something that'll be a little bit special to enhance the dining area. We've ordered some takeaway because I can't be bothered cooking, and just some things around the house and some florals and some dried pieces here and there. I thought I'd show you how you can give what is a very limited palette a little bit of fun for Valentine's Day. So even down to your chairs and final flourishing finishes, here's a few tips on how you can make your dining room table look a little bit more special for any occasion. Either way, it's fun to play about with the decor and the atmosphere that you can create for any occasion or every day on your own dining room table.